Today, I am going to help you and your local business crack the Google code. My name is Steve with the branding agency, mybrandingagency.com. We try and produce the most beneficial, helpful content for your online business. If you do find our content valuable, helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. We're always trying to grow and boost the YouTube and Google algorithm. So, without further ado, in this video, I'm going to give you the top free local citations and backlinks for your local business. First things first, I want to give you a full understanding of what a citation and a local backlink is. So, what I've done here is I put it into Google, and Google has given me the best answer for what is a website local citation. And as you can see, it's an online mention of your business's name, address, and phone number on a website other than the business's own. So it's a link from another website back to your website, if you can really follow along and understand what that is. You want to make sure that you're getting backlinks from websites that have high authority. A website that has very little authority or is a spammy website isn't going to do much for you when it comes to a backlink. You want to get those backlinks from websites that have trust and authority. When people see the website, they understand what that website is. They understand that it does have a lot of trust and authority. A good example would be the Better Business Bureau, Waze, any type of map related website that's going to give you a link or a mention of their website. So here's a tool that we use that manages all of our citations for us. And if you look down here, you can see all the big names: Facebook, Bing. Then there are some list of websites that you may not recognize as much: Foursquare, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. And the first question that I get is, well, people don't use Foursquare and MapQuest or Yellow Pages anymore, and even Manta. So why should I have my website, or why should I get that citation from them? These websites still have high domain authority, high ranking. Although you may not go to these websites to try and find a business, Google does. So when someone punches in a service provider near me, a contractor near me, home improvement, a dentist near me, what Google's going to do is it's going to index their resources and try and find name, address, phone number to that website that's relevant to yours. So as you can see, every single one of these citations is giving our company name, our address, our phone number, and then a link to our website. So here is a perfect example. You can see our company name is listed right here. You can click visit the website. It'll take you in another window. You can see our address listed right here. You can see our phone number, and then just one other link right here directly to our website. And if I went and I checked the authority score, domain authority of this website, more than likely it has a very high domain authority, meaning that Google gives this website trust and authority. So getting a backlink from a website like this is going to help you out tremendously. So the more of these that you can get, it's going to do two things for you. It's going to list your company name, it's going to list the address, it's going to list your phone number, and it's also going to give you a link to your website. And for small businesses, it's very difficult to get a link from a website. So these are free. These are free links from websites that have very high domain authority and will help you get a nice little boost, a nice little, as we like to call, some Google juice. So as you could see, I have a list of all of our different citations. And what I'm going to do for you in the notes section of this video is I'm going to link to each of these where you can go out and fill your own profile out for free, your own company profile for free. They're just going to ask you the same thing. They're going to ask you for your name, address, phone number, and a link to your website. They may ask you for some photos as well, and I'm sure you're going to have some photos handy, so keep that in mind. So, what you want to do is go through one by one and literally fill out each of these profiles. It's going to take you anywhere from a half hour, maybe 45 minutes, but it's free. And you're going to get a lot of value online by doing this. Trust me, this is something that you need to do. It's free, it doesn't cost you a penny. I will tell you that a lot of these websites, especially if you see the Better Business Bureau, they will give you a free profile, but they're going to ask you, they're going to push you hard to pay for a paid profile and some type of upgraded profile. Don't do it. The upgraded profile really doesn't have much benefit. You're going to get the same benefit out of the free profile than the paid profile. So again, I'm going to put a link to each of these in the comments section. Go through one by one. If you use these links and fill out all these profiles that I list for you, give us a like, comment in the comments section if how easy it was to fill out. If you have any questions on any of the links that I shared, I can respond in the comments section as well. Once again, my name is Steve from the branding agency, mybrandingagency.com. I hope you found this content valuable, informative, and helpful. I will talk to everyone soon. Thanks again.